Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. And today in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make your own macro command on Visionism. Okay, without further ado, let's start. So you're gonna have to download um, JITBIT macro recorder, this one. I'm gonna leave a link there on the description. And then, yeah, that's it. And for the game, you're gonna have to go to a pull-up bar or go to a gym that has a pull-up bar, and you're gonna need a lot of money, like 1,000 plus. Right now, I have 5,000. You can have less than that. Just make sure that it's 1,000 or over 1,000 because you're gonna have to do this a couple of times. Okay, let's begin. Open JITBIT macro recorder and start with find image on screen, if image found, and then you're gonna go back to your game, go to the pull-up bar. The first letter you see, you're gonna go capture it, capture, and then search specific region, turn that option on, start from here, over here, and then you're gonna turn that to 15. You're gonna add a delay, which is 1,000, 1001, and then your keyboard command, and then you end it with if and if statement, and then you're gonna go if image again, go back to the game, do that, repeat, again do this, turn that to 15, delay command 1001. You're obviously gonna keep doing this until you do it for the rest of the keys, which is WASD. And look at that, I dropped from the pull-up bar because time is up. You're obviously This is obviously where you're gonna need the money. Okay, so after every if image, delay, and keyboard, you're gonna end it with end if, okay? Then we're gonna okay. So we're gonna do another if image, then S. Don't you have to actually capture the letter here, not just the box and the letter. You have to capture the actual letter, okay? Because it won't work. S keyboard. Oh shit, I forgot the delay, just 1001, and then the keyboard command. Oh, there it is. I dropped from the pull-up bar again. Then and if, then this is the last one. Find no. If image, go to the pull-up bar again. What do we need? Hold on, what do we need? We have A, D, S, so we need W. There, W. And if image, capture. Again, only the letter, not the box. Then start from here, over here, 15, and okay. That's basically it. Oh wait. Ah, forgot. Okay, sorry. I got too excited there. Delay, keyboard command, W, and then you have to end it with end if again. There, that's it. There, we're done. I did it as fast as possible. You can slow down the video you're if you can't catch up. So basically, we're done now, right? We're done. So we're gonna test it out. Do that here. Control P. There. It's doing it. It's done. That's how you make your own macro command. on JITBIT. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment down a video. Uh, Comment down a comment and tell me if it works for you. Bye. That's it. See you. Okay, I'm gonna finish this.